Hey, this is Zach Cox with Apache Solutions. Welcome back to another RangeMaster Drill of the month. This month we will be shooting the 7-yard standards drill. Let's head out to the range and we'll show you how to shoot it. This is a fairly inexpensive drill to shoot, only requiring 15 rounds. You will need access to a 7-yard range and a B8C repair center target. Scoring this target is simple. All hits on the B8C are worth face value. Any hits outside of the 7 ring are down 10 points. 150 points possible, with 135 points or a 90% is considered passing. All courses of fire are at the 7-yard line. First course of fire is draw from concealment and fire 5 rounds in 5 seconds. The second course of fire, start at low ready, gun in dominant hand. At the beat, fire 4 rounds in 5 seconds, dominant hand only. Third course of fire, start gun in non-dominant hand. At low ready, fire 3 rounds in 5 seconds. Fourth course of fire, start with 1 round in the gun at low ready. On the beat, fire 1 round, conduct an emergency reload, and fire 2 more rounds, all in 8 seconds.
All right, so he had 8 points down, his right-handed dominant hand shooting. There was just a little bit of excessive grip, maybe.
It was a little bit of movement, yeah, a little extra.
Could have been the drunken
grip.
fairy.
Yeah, trying to keep the drunken fairy still.
But everything else was all in the black. He had 8 points down, so it's a 142, and he made a 94.6%. So that's really good for it being extremely cold out here.
Extremely cold. Absolutely.
What'd you think about the drill?
It's a really good drill. It tests a lot of the skill sets that one who carries should have and everything. It reminds me a lot of the 5-yard roundup, but a little bit more distance, increases difficulty a little bit. It's a great drill.
Awesome. Well, yeah, he did great. Thank you, Derek, for coming out.
Thank you for having me.
Everybody, give it a try. Let us know how you do. Thanks for coming out.